did you even find this car?
I just saw it was unlocked while I was walking. I called you and here we are.
All right, let's just ransack the car and get out of here.
No, why do you think we're hunched over in masks in the back seat? We're gonna take them hostage, okay?
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Did you bring a gun?
No, I thought you brought the gun.
I'm not gonna ever bring a gun. I won't ever own a gun. I will never. Shut up.
All right, don't freak out.
That lady was crazy.
Oh my God, tell me about it, man. You never know what to expect when you get in there, you know?
1 in a million, man.
Yeah.
I hope to God I never see her again.
Oh!